Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to unbox this package I got from Louise. I thought, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I cannot just do it on my own. I need to let you guys see how gorgeous this is. It is their blusher and also their highlighter palette. The packaging is just so cute. Oh my goodness, well done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's inside the box. So this is what the outside looks like. And it says life is what you bake it. So let's see what's inside of this packaging. Alrighty, so I've already torn off the part right there. I'm going to open it. And of course the price in there, nicely packaged in the bubble wrap. So it keeps it safe in transit. Okay, so the first thing we have here is, oh my goodness. We've got the CEO, and that's like a lot of zeros behind it. And it says on there, everyday mood. CEO, 6 zeros. You know what that means. And if your dreams don't scare you, they are too small. I love their packaging, is so amazing. I've only used their base, their eye bases. I've never used anything else, but I am so excited to and curious to try out their other products. So yes, this is one of their palettes. Let's see what's inside of it. Let me go ahead and open that box up for you guys. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. Louise, so pretty. Let me go ahead and open this packaging for you. It's huge, like, oh my goodness, this is a lot of product. And again, they've got the CEO there as well. And these are the shades in the highlighter palette. Oh my goodness, I am in awe. Of course, I'm going to swatch them for you guys, but let me just do a little finger swatch right now. I'm so tempted. Ooh, let's see that. Look at that. Ooh, let's try that one. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And then here you've got, okay, you've got bad biatch, energy only. You've got bank account looking like a phone number. Ow. CEO slash that SheEO. Okay, and this chapter is called My Turn. Yes, it's called My Turn. And then you've got down here, BRB, I'm building my empire. Then you've got make an income whilst making an impact. And if your dreams don't scare you, they are too small and ambitious as F blank CK. All right, so this is all the highlighters. Oh my goodness, I love the messages. I love the colors. I love the heart shaped. Oh wow, I am just so like, love it, love it, love it. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. Let me do that so you can see it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to go ahead and swatch for you is this one. Bad biatch, energy only. I'm going to wipe that off. So that's that one. So pretty. Then this one here. SheEO. Look at those guys. And let's go ahead and do this one. This chapter is called My Turn. That's that. Then BRB, I'm building my empire. It's holographic. That one's holographic. Very, very pretty. Okay. Let's do this one here. Make an income while making an impact. That's it. And then if your dreams don't scare you, they are too small. That's that one right there. And then of course, ambitious as F whatever, you know what that is. So these are the shades. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to play around with these. They're so pigmented, guys. I'm not getting any fallout or anything. They're smooth. They are just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I absolutely adore these shades from their highlighter palette. So yeah, this is what they're looking like, guys. Palette, it says my first crush, but they slashed out obviously and put blush. So this is the blush packaging, also very, very pretty. I love the pink theme. And it says here, my first blush, roses are red, violets are blue. This blusher palette made all my dreams come true. So this is what the palette looks like, you guys. This is their blusher palette. Let me go ahead and open it up for you guys real quick. Their packaging is just so amazing. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Same thing. And then it has a big mirror. It's a huge palette as well. These are all the shades. Blush. Okay, so these are the shades in the blush palette. Let me go ahead and see if I can get some of that for you guys. Okay, so this one says they love me. They what? Definitely love me. They love me. They definitely love me. So this is, oh, look at that pink. Look at that pink. And this is like a lighter pink. That one is heart in an envelope. Okay, and this one says, everything is better with you. Oh, so cute. Very light. These are for lighter skin tones, I'd say, but this pink right here is so amazing. So pigmented, you guys. And then this one is like Cupid. This one is a pink like a Barbie pink, bubblegum pink one, and it's got Cupid in it. So that's that one. Okay, and let's go down to the bottom here. So these two are very like brown skin, dark skin friendly, because they're quite, you know, pigmented. So this one has a lock and key, the key to my heart. So there you have it. Trying to get it. It's a lovely pink as well. Oh my goodness. And then this one says Dear Diary. Very nice, you guys. I haven't been wearing blushes lately, but I'm definitely going to be going back into my blusher era. So yeah. And then this one has a love heart, forever yours. This is like a Valentine's theme. That's that one. And then the last one is this is a very pale sort of, I don't know what to call this shade, but you get it, guys. Then it says, you give me butterflies. Ooh. So these are blushes, guys. These are blushes. Can you believe that? I'm going to be using these as eyeshadows as well. So pretty. Oh my goodness. You better go ahead and get your hands on these P. Louise palettes. They are just to die for. And they are quite pigmented. I love these two, and these are the ones that I'm going to be wearing all the time. So yeah, great packaging as well. Okay guys, so that's the end of the quick swatches for these two palettes from P. Louise. I am in love with them, and I'm going to be using them in my upcoming looks or pictures that I take. I'm going to be using them. They're quite heavy, but they're cardboard material, so they won't break or anything like that. Great packaging. They're very, very nicely done, very tasteful. I love these so much, and I can't wait to, you know, play around with them. If you've ever tried any of these, guys, please let me know how you feel, or if you plan on getting any of these P. Louise blushers and highlighters. The highlighters are definitely my fave, and I am such a highlighter girl, especially in the summertime. So do let me know if you like these, or if you plan on getting them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let me know your thoughts on these fabulous, beautiful P. Louise blusher and highlighter palette. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, turn notifications on, and of course thumbs up the video for more. See ya.